Hello students, welcome to Dr. Shoraph's classes. So in this particular video, we will be solving the advanced placement calculus AB, and this is the free response question. Okay, that is the FRQ. So those who are going for this advanced placement exam, so they know that FAQ is one of the significant part for to improve their score, and also it is one of the most critical area. Okay, or you can say it is a challenging area. So we will solve this AP calculus particularly thing following the 5-point strategy. So first we have to read to the questions carefully. We have to share our thought process. Okay, and we will solve this question one by one. And you can see this one thing is there. This is question number 1. So in advanced placement calculus AB, we will have two parts. Okay, there's the part A where we have two questions, and part B where we have this 4 questions. Okay, so in part A we have the graphing calculators are required, these are allowed, and whereas in part B we don't have the usage of graphing calculators. So in this particular question, so let us move to the question now. So this question number 1. So here you can use a graphing calculator for the questions to answer this question. So let's start. This question number 1 is saying that let fish enter a lake at a rate modeled by the function e given by et is equal to 20 plus 15 sine pi t by 6. Fish leave the lake at a rate modeled by the function L given by L of t is this L is a function of t, 4 plus this 2 to the power 0 to the power 1 t square. Both et and lt are measured in fish per hour, and t is measured in hours since midnight t equal to 0. Okay, so our first part of the question is how many fish enter the lake over the 5-hour period from midnight t0 to 5 am, that is t equal to 5. Give your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay, so let's start with solving the part A. So we have simply put integral 0 to 5 et, that is we have to find entering the lake, fish entering the lake, et of dt. You can use a directly graphing calculator. So it will be 153.457,690. Okay, so to the nearest whole number, it will be 153 fish enter the lake from midnight to 5 am. Okay, so that is the part A. Okay, let's go to part B. What is the average number of fish that leave the lake per hour over the 5-hour period from midnight t equal to 0 to 5 am t equal to 5? So here it is simple. So part B, we have this 1 by 5 minus 0, 0 to 5 L t dt. So which will be simply 6.059038. Okay, so from here we can see that the average number is 6. Okay, so we can write in this manner the answer, that is the average number of fish that leave the lake per hour from midnight to 5 a.m. is 6.059. That is, it will be fish per hour. Okay, so that is the number of the average number of the fish we have to find. Okay. So this is the part B. So in the part C, it is asking at what time t for 0 less than equal to 2 less than equal to 8 is the greatest number of fish in the lake. We have to also justify the answer. Okay, so for this, what you have to solve. So this is the part C. Okay, so the rate of change we have to find the rate of change in the number of the fish. Okay, so rate of change for which the number of the fish, obviously, in the lake at time t, it is given by the number of rate of change of the fish entering the lake and it's leaving the lake, et minus of lt, right? So et minus lt is equal to 0, which implies that t equal to 6.20356. Okay, so et minus lt is, from here you can see that et minus of lt is greater than 0 for range 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 6.20356, right? And at the same time you can find that et minus of lt, it will be less than 0 for the range 6.20356 less than equal to t less than equal to 8. Okay, okay, so this is the, so the greatest number of fish in the lake, you have to find the time at which the number of the fish in the lake is greatest. So the greatest number of fish in the lake at is at which time? Is at time t equal to 6.203, right? So this is the answer to the question, to the part C. Now the last one, that is part D, it is saying that is the rate of change, okay, is giving, is the rate of change in the number of fish in the lake increasing or decreasing at 5 a.m. Explain your reasoning. Okay, so after solving the question, we will see where the scoring points will be, how to get the earn the scoring points. So let's solve this part D. So we have this e prime 5 minus of l prime 5, it will be equal to minus 10.7228, which is obviously less than 0. So because this e prime 5 minus of l prime 5 is less than 0, the rate of change in the number of fish it will be is decreasing. At which time? At time t equal to 5. Okay, so that is the answer to part D, that it is decreasing. Now in the part A you can see that we have calculated the integral. So for integral we have 1 point, and for the answer we have determined that is 153. Here it is 1 point, so 2 points. Similarly for the part B, for the integral we have the scoring point is 1 and the answer we got, it is for 1 point, so 2 points in part B. In part C, so we have set this value to et minus lt is equal to 0. For this part is 1, and this is the answer we got for t equal to this, and this is the explanation. So for answer it is 1, and for the explanation part it is 1. So 3 points in part C. And the question number for the part D, question D, 1D, we have this. For this part, e prime 5 and l prime 5 minus l prime 5, we have determined this considering this is part 1, point 1, scoring point 1, and for the explanation point 1. So this will be the scoring points for the question 1, and this will be the answer as I have prepared. Okay, so I'm written this all these things because it is to make you people understand how you have to write in the exam also to get the full marks.